Hello everyone and welcome to Housing. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the unboxing of the residential project L&T Elixir Reserve by L&T Realty located in Powai. In this video, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, amenities, parking provision, carpet area, master plan, floor plan, unit plan, maintenance, builder profile, pros and cons and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housing. Housing is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listed platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housing is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developers. Book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housing. Talking about the project overview, this project will be spread across the land parcel of 11 acres residential, consisting of 9 towers that will be developed phase-wise. Phase 1 has 3 towers that is already sold out, and Phase 2 is coming up with 4 towers having 3 levels of basement parking. 4th level is the podium. Then the towers have 24 residential floors having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium deck apartments. Talking about the location, this project is located off JVLR Road opposite Powai Garden, from where Jogeshwari Vikhroli Link Road is just 100 meters away. Upcoming metro station is at a distance of 200 meters. D-Mart is around 3 kilometers and International Airport is at a distance of 4.5 kilometers from this project. Talking about the amenities, internal amenities, you will get double vitrified tiles, imported marble, kitchen with granite platform, CCTV and many more. Now coming to the external amenities part, as you can see, this project has own AM night school. It has a world-class gym, a squash court, a badminton court and a 50,000 square feet of clubhouse. It also has a 3.5-acre hillock garden where jogging track will be coming. It also has a swimming pool with many more ultra-luxurious amenities. Talking about the parking part, this project has 3 levels of basement parking. Now let's discuss about the master plan and floor plan of this project. As you can see, this is the master plan of L&T Elixir Reserve. Here you can see these are 3 towers already launched in phase 1 and now 4 towers are launching in phase 2. Tower Ibis, Tower Dove, Tower Prenia, Tower Cygnus and remaining towers coming as future developments. Coming to the carpet area, 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 810 to 840 square feet, 3 BHK spread across the carpet area of 1040 to 1446 and 4 BHK in the carpet area of 1968 and 2270 square feet usable carpet area. Now let's have a look at the floor plan of this project. As you can see, this is the typical floor plan of Tower Cygnus, with each floor having 4 flats, 4 lifts and 2 staircases. The typical floor plan with Tower Dove having 5 flats, 5 lifts, 2 staircases, and same floor plan goes for Tower Prenia. The typical floor plan for Tower Ibis with each floor having 10 flats, 6 lifts and 2 staircases. Now let's have a look at the unit plans. The unit plan for 2 BHK of 840 square feet, the unit plan of 3 BHK of 1446 square feet and this is the unit plan of 4 BHK of 2270 square feet. Now let's come to the maintenance part. The maintenance for 2 BHK is 9,000 to 10,000 per month and for 3 BHK it is ranging from 12,000 to 17,000 per month and 4 BHK ranging from 23,000 to 25,000 per month. Talking about the possession part, project has got RERA possession date as December 2028 for phase 2 but target possession is June 2027. Talking about the pros and cons, for pros and cons you can visit www.housing.com. This was the unboxing video of the residential project L&T Elixir Reserve by L&T Realty located in Powai. If you have any queries related to pricing, plan, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description below. All our NRI clients from UK, US, UAE and Europe can also contact us on the same link. At last, don't forget to follow and subscribe Housing for more such unboxing videos.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housing.